Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are back in our exploration journey of Power BI. Till now, we have learned how to source our data from various kind of data sources, and now is the time to know how to clean that data, transform it so we can load it for visualization and analytics. First of all, we will have an introduction of why cleaning and transforming the data is a crucial step in Power BI workflow. So sometimes you start working with the data, but the visuals or the reports you make are inconsistent or not factual. You got bad data. The workflow stucks. Power that usually happens with dirty data, with missing values, duplicates, and all kinds of data inconsistencies. Power BI fortunately helps us to eradicate that inconsistencies to make sure that our data is compatible and connectable to the pipelines of visualization in the most effective and facilitative manner. So in this part, we are going to resolve inconsistencies, apply user-friendly replacement, profile data. So we can be profiling means we will be naming data in a better way and evaluate and transform column data types. We will make sure the data types of each column is what the data it is reflecting. And sometimes you will transform the data, you will combine queries, and all sort of things which are excited, which for which I am very excited. Meet you in the next video.